In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your email address on Vrbo. Updating your email address is an important step if you've recently switched email providers or need to ensure that all your Vrbo notifications are sent to a more convenient inbox. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Vrbo account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot your name or profile icon right there. Give it a click. This little icon is your gateway to personalizing your Vrbo experience, so it's worth getting comfortable with navigating around here. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select either My Profile or Account Settings. These options might look slightly different depending on any updates or changes Vrbo has made, but they both lead you to the same place, your account's central hub for managing personal information and settings. Once you're in the My Profile or Account Settings section, you'll notice several tabs. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the Settings tab. Clicking on the Settings tab will bring up a variety of options related to your account preferences. Now, here comes the pivotal part, changing your email address. Within the Settings tab, scroll through until you find the Email Address section. This is where your current email address is displayed. To update it, look for the Update option or a pencil icon next to your email address. This icon represents editability, allowing you to make changes to your current information. Click on Update or the pencil icon and you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Ensure that you type in the correct address, as this will be where Vrbo sends important notifications about bookings, messages from guests, and other key account activities. After entering your new email address, you might be required to confirm the change. This can involve entering your current password or confirming via a verification email sent to your new address. It's a security measure to ensure that it's really you making the change. Once you've confirmed the update, take a moment to double check that your new email address is correctly displayed in the email address section. By doing this, you can be sure that all future communications from Vrbo will reach you without any hiccups. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your email address on Vrbo. This process not only keeps your account information current, but also ensures you stay informed about all your bookings and interactions on the platform. If you ever need to make further changes, you can always return to the Settings tab and make additional adjustments as necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in keeping your Vrbo account up to date. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Happy hosting or vacation planning on Vrbo,